This Robinhood news is shocking. Here's what you need to know. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my Shiba Inu Coin analysis. And if you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, hit our link down in the description below. Public has just recently added Shiba Inu to their roster of tradable tokens. So if you guys want to hop on there and start trading Shiba Inu, hit the link down in the description below. Use our link if you guys want to pick up a free stock. It not only supports the channel, but it of course also allows you guys to get a free stock when you sign up and deposit $1. Make sure to let us know in the comments below how many Shiba Inu tokens you guys are holding so we can see just how strong the Shiba Inu army is. Everybody who held through yesterday's kind of bummy little kind of weird pullback, again, congratulations, because today we are going up again, and we love to see it down in the comments below just how strong you guys are holding. But either way, let's get right into this video. Alrighty guys, here we are with Shiba Inu. We're at the 7071 level, up just about 12% on the day here. Thank God, because yesterday we were, again, I wasn't really worried, guys. The reason I say thank God is just because a lot of people, it was more of the people that I was worried about than the actual price action itself. I saw a lot of hate towards this coin on Twitter, TikTok, in our YouTube comments, on our polls, on everything. Again, a lot of people were getting a little bit nervous, right? Because we had a little bit of a slump day yesterday, right? We had a little bit of red. I think we were down about 5 to 6%. But again, guys, we are back on the uptrend. We are up about 12% today and still doing very well. If we go to coin market cap here, as you can see, we are still number 9 above Dogecoin, might I add as well too, you know, not to brag or anything, but again, we're above Dogecoin, you know, not a big deal. But either way, guys, still doing very well. We've dropped a little bit of market cap here, shitting about, I think that's about a, oh God, kill me now, about $1 billion in market cap either way. But guys, so what I really want to talk about today, and yeah, a lot of you, I'm sure, will want to be talking about. Well, number one, we'll talk about this real quick. Here's a little positive piece of news in all of this, because again, the big prediction, and that all of you guys have been waiting for, and all of you guys have been looking at and telling us in both our live streams, our YouTube comments, and everything, Robinhood's going to get listed on November 1st. CoinMomo says so. This one guy on Twitter named Dr. Joe Reed is saying so. CPA JD, like everything is happening. What's happening? Like Robinhood's going to get listed, guys. You guys got to like report about this. And so we did our research, right? We looked into it. We tried to make sure that we can validate all the information that was coming out and make sure that everything that was happening, or supposedly was happening, would happen, right? And again, in every video we made about Robinhood, we were very speculative still, and we said, hey guys, this still isn't a sure thing. We still kind of have to wait and see what exactly is going to happen in the end of all this, because it's still something that for the most part is kind of unconfirmed, right? We haven't heard anything from actual Robinhood sources yet about Robinhood, you know, listing Shiba Inu or any real, you know, new tokens for that. All we've really heard so far is that Robinhood is waiting for further, I guess, clearance or further, what's the word, I guess, approval from not only the government, but the SEC on regulation of crypto, because that's been one of the biggest topics here just over the last year. People are worried that the SEC is going to heavily regulate crypto, and the people who are going to get damaged in all of this, not only just the holders of crypto, but of course the exchanges that are listing crypto assets for people to buy and sell on. And if Robinhood, of course, adds more cryptos, pretty much they're exposing themselves to more liability from the SEC if they do regulate crypto. That being said, though, it still seems kind of dumb, because again, there's all these other brokerages that are more than willing to list every other crypto asset on it relatively easily. I mean, Public literally just added Shiba Inu, and I think that Public is better than Robinhood anyways. And it's not just because we're sponsored. I actually just like their platform a lot better than Robinhood to begin with. But either way, I just don't know, guys. You know, it's a very hard thing to say. But let's get into the actual news here. So Kraken obviously is going to be listing Shiba Inu tomorrow. Big news there. I mean, big, you know, in the sense that, hey, it's an exchange listing. It's a positive piece of news either way. People use Kraken. People are going to want to use Kraken to buy that anyways. And Kraken's been a pretty, you know, successful brokerage in the last couple of years. So either way, good piece of news. Just wanted to knock that out just because I know you guys like to keep up to date with exchange listings, and that's something that's going to be happening. But let's talk about this guy, Dr. Joe Reed. So Dr. Joe Reed was making claims basically that Robinhood would be listed on, or Robinhood would list Shiba Inu on November 1st. Now, let's read into this and see what else he has to say. Just got notice that today might now be the day. This week is a definite though. Sorry for the hassle. And again, this was after he was saying that basically Robinhood might be listed somewhere around the, what time was it? I believe it was like 9 this morning, November 1st. But again, we're November 1st, it's 12:53 in the afternoon here in California, and that has yet to happen. So let's talk about, I guess, really what, you know, is it going to happen? Here he has to say, sorry for the hassle. It was a last minute poll from higher ups in Robinhood, possibly involving Shib token. I'm hearing still going on CNN Business later today. I'll be going live in an hour on Twitter soon. This was at 5:59 a.m. So again, a lot has transpired since then, unfortunately, and really we haven't seen much. And again, this was 6 hours ago. Could possibly happen later today around 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but otherwise expect Wednesday or Thursday. So currently the time of recording this video, it's 12:53, and on the East Coast, of course, that is far, far beyond 1 p.m. obviously. So I guess Wednesday or Thursday now is the new, proposed date that Robinhood is going to go live with Shiba Inu. He says the coin is fully integrated into their system, just waiting on launch okay from Shib tokens. So a lot of people in this, in his replies are very, very upset. As you can see, the SEC enforcement going to get you, all this kind of stuff. People are very, very upset with this guy, saying all this stuff. Look, even here we have Satoshi, which I don't even know. Actually, that's a fake Satoshi with the TM thing. I don't think that's real. But either way, guys, a lot of people are very upset at this guy for making claims about this with really, it doesn't seem like a lot of substantial evidence to back it up. Keeping this in mind though, guys, I mean, we still have his basically prediction that Wednesday or Thursday supposedly is going to be the Robinhood launch. Now, guys, keeping all of that in mind, if that does happen, I've said this in every other video and I'll keep saying it again, I still think this is going to be a very, very positive catalyst for Shiba Inu. It's something that's going to drive the price further in the upward direction, in my opinion. Again, that's not financial advice, it's just what I think it's going to do, because Robinhood is a heavily used brokerage. This is a brokerage that's highly accessible. It's easy to use. The UI interface is very easy to understand and learn. New time investors, first time investors, anybody who has never even invested $1 of their money can get on Robinhood very easily and start to put their money into different assets, whether it's stocks or crypto. So keeping that in mind, if Shiba Inu gets listed on there, guys, its accessibility and just the overall popularity of it, I think would really be a driving factor in the success of Shiba Inu, not only price-wise, but just also success on that platform. We know that Q3 was just reported, their crypto earnings sucked, they were terrible, and again, I think the best solution to that is obviously adding Shiba Inu. And even though they're scared that the SEC might start to regulate crypto even more and that they might get screwed over because of it, I still think that there is potential for that to happen, sure, but I also think there is more potential for that to not happen, and for them to kind of just be worried about nothing. And again, if every crypto, or if every brokerage, pretty much every single brokerage on this planet at this point has listed crypto on their exchanges, I really don't think that Robinhood being far behind is something that makes it good, right? That they're playing it safe. I really just think that they are overly cautious at this point. And it's going to be at some point, it's going to be their downfall. They're going to miss a major opportunity with Shiba Inu, I think, that they may not get again. They might, it's clear a lot of other users are already going to places like Public, which you guys can hit the link down in the description below and trade Shiba Inu on there as well, because they actually do have Shiba Inu on there, and it's very easy to access and understand on there overall. And we like Public too, because they're sponsoring us, and of course we use the brokerage ourselves, and you guys can follow us on there. Also, guys, real quick too, since we're on Twitter already, follow us on Twitter, guys. It's down here at It's Finance Bro, just down here in the left corner. Hit that follow button, guys, because we're always trying to bring you guys the latest and up-to-date information, and we figure Twitter might be a new medium that we can start tweeting on more, getting you guys out there. So make sure to follow either way. Again, guys, we're gonna keep it locked here, guys, very close with the news, making sure that you guys are up to date with the latest information, so that way, if this does happen, if we do see a listing go live with Robinhood, you guys know that we are going to be on it instantly. We're going to try to do it as best I can. I got a new computer coming in that we're going to be building. I'm going to be building a 4K editing rig very soon, guys, so these videos will be way faster. We're going to have more live streams, more content for you guys to consume, so hopefully you guys are excited for that. But either way, guys, that's pretty much it today for this coin. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. You guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, hit our link down in the description below. Public is a great social investing network app that allows you to see what other people are buying, selling, and talking about in both the stock and now newly added the crypto markets as well, guys. It is a great tool if you are a new investor, an old investor, or just somebody who wants to be a part of a community of investors who are talking about what they're buying and what they're selling, and of course, just everything in between. But also too, guys, you can now trade Shiba Inu on their platform as well. They've just recently added that coin on there as of late. So again, if you guys want to hop on there, use our link down in the description below, support this channel, and you guys will get a free stock when you use that link either way. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.